Look, I can't even get it right because it's just, I need to practice again. Okay, take two. Hello everyone and welcome back to my, wait. Take three. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Do y'all remember me? Are we still cool or what? It's been a little minute. I've been missing upload times, uploading on random days, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been struggling lately since Christmas and the holidays and everything. So I mean, it's always good for you to step away, right? But I need to get back on top of it. So tonight what I am going to do for you guys is show you how I moisturize my hair. So I know I've talked about it in a lot of different videos, and I also told you guys some of the things that you can use, but I am going to actually show you in this video. Okay, so if you want to see that, then definitely stay tuned. So we're gonna jump right into the video, but first let me welcome anyone who is new to my channel. I am Elizabeth and we cover all things beauty related here on my channel, and we really love affordable options. So if you're into any of that, go ahead and subscribe, guys. I'm going to give you an up close of what my hair looks like right now. This is about almost a month retwist, so it lasted a month so far. So I feel like it's time for me to wash it. Haven't washed the last time I retwisted my hair, and I think that was the night of the 29th or the 30th or something like that, because I had to be fresh for the new year, you know. So yeah, this is that retwist, and it's dirty. I got makeup right here from doing my makeup. Oh y'all, look at me, look at my makeup today. Isn't it really cute? I didn't even want to do all this, but I ended up playing with this palette. Have y'all heard of the crayon case? I know you have, because it's going crazy and I'm hella late, but this is the palette that just came out, the matte book. So I went ahead and played in these colors, and y'all know I am a neutral baby, but I just could not. Look, this one, this is the Watch Me Blush palette. Oh, they're so beautiful. If you want to see a tutorial with those palettes, or a tutorial on this look, go ahead and leave a comment down below exactly what you want, what colors that you want to see me wear, and let me know so I can upload a video, so I can be on top of uploading videos. You already know. Okay, I'm rambling because I haven't been on here in a while, so I don't know how to stay on track. So I'm going to show you my hair right now, dirty and all that. And then I'm going to come back and show you my hair washed. So I'm going to get in the shower and I'm going to wash all this off, and then I'm going to come back on here and show you exactly what I do in my moisturizing, in my steps to moisturizing, and I'm not going to leave anything out, so you do want to watch this till the end, guys.
I tried to be on time for once, but I still lose my mind when you are on my phone, and I don't have to be alone. Oh my, your kitchen floor is cold. Cause you are in the same room, touch me like DiCaprio. How hard can it be? Just love me like lovers do. Trouble seems so far away, but I don't know your name yet. How hard can it be? Just touch me like I'm the one. Cause we are always strangers, acting just like lovers do. How hard can it be? Just love me like lovers do.
Alright guys, fresh out the shower. So usually I don't put my pajamas on. I have my towel on. I don't put my pajamas on because my hair is going to be wet when I take it out of my microfiber towel. As you know, this is like the step to moisturizing, having a towel that's not going to dry your hair out or suck all the moisture out of your hair. I have a video about all my, top stuff for moisturizing hair. So what I did today in the shower, it was a clarifying day, so I used my clarifying shampoo. Don't use this as of lately every time I wash, only when I feel like my hair is really dirty, like it's been a month, so of course I needed to clarify. Then I went ahead and went into it with a different shampoo this time, not my Aloe Vera and Macadamia moisturizing shampoo. I am actually using the for shine enhancing jasmine and kombucha shampoo, because I wanted, and this is for shine. Okay, so I wanted to use this to just put some shine in my hair. And then I, as of lately, like I said in my last video, I don't know if it was my last video, but close to my last video, I've been conditioning, and this is the one that I am using. It's the Aloe Vera Macadamia oil. It's for moisture, see, for dry hair, sensitive scalp. But yeah, I basically moisturized. I started the process by leaving this on my hair for 3 to 5 minutes while I washed my face and my body. I use my microfiber towel, and this also helps with keeping the moisture in, because regular towels can dry the hair out really dry, and you just, that's doing the opposite, right? All right, so all right. All right. Oh, it smells so good. This shampoo smells so good. This jasmine and kombucha. You know what? A lot of people talk about drinking kombucha. I'm popping right now. I'm in right now. Like, that's good. Anyway, so this is what my hair is looking like, freshly washed. Let me get up close for you guys. So you remember all those little spots where it was like white and it was that residue left over. Completely washed out. Scalp looking good. Let's do this side. See, it had all that stuff in this side. Not there anymore. Really clean. Smells so good. So and if I washed really good, then you can see that the locks in the back, which usually are hard for me to get out, are clean. So the next steps that I would take before my hair completely dries is to moisturize down the shaft of my hair. I hate saying that word now that Will in my last video kind of was like, the shaft of what? But that's how, you know, the length of the lock. Let's go with that. So before it dries, I like to take the avocado oil, and this one is by Shea Moisture, and it's part of the Beauty Hacks line. I don't know if they still sell the Beauty Hacks line, but yeah, you can get avocado oil from anywhere. Separate, and I go down the locks. With the avocado oil. And I am really, honestly, with everything, I am very heavy-handed with everything, because I feel like if I can't feel it, it's not there, you know? So, do that. Y'all see me? Now my locks are getting longer. It's like I can't get them in frame from where I sit usually. And excuse my armpits if you see some hair there. It's not quite time for me to wax them yet, so might be a little bit of hair. And then after that, I will take my love, y'all know my first love, my peppermint and tea tree oil by Eden Body Works. It's the natural hair oil, and I spray my scalp and rub it in. So then I part, spray, and rub it in, because a little goes a long way. You don't want this running all down your face and stuff. So when you spray a section like twice, you can rub it down. Okay, and then I go ahead and go on the sides here. I keep my edges oiled, not only because it helps them to grow, but also with this it helps prevent like lice and stuff, because of the peppermint and the tea tree. They can't handle, or something about it. So I make sure I get my edges, and then I repeat it all the way around my head, guys. So then I go onto the back and do the same thing, and I make sure I get the nape. You can't be having no bugs growing. This gives such a tingly, like, it feels so good. You can tell that it's promoting hair growth because you can feel the tingling and the breathing. I love it. And that's basically how I moisturize my hair. And I usually will go into retwist right now, but it's kind of late and I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to sit here, let it air dry while I watch a movie, and probably retwist tomorrow. Thank you all for watching, and I hope this was helpful. As usual, I'm not influencing you to purchase anything, but everything is in the description box if you would like to try anything out. I'm just trying to save you guys time and money, trying things that you're already interested in, and saving you just a little bit of a coin so you won't be spending your money on stuff that don't work out. Don't you love me for that? Anyway, yeah, goodbye y'all. Good night, good day, whatever it is where you are. Bye guys.